Imagine a world hidden beneath the waves, covering more than 70% of our planet and yet still a blank map. Down there lie mysteries beyond imagination, strange formations that might be ruins, bizarre ecosystems glowing with alien colors, golden orbs no one can explain, and even shipwrecks worth billions. Stay with me, because today we're diving into the strangest underwater discoveries ever made, some breathtaking, some unsettling, and all guaranteed to leave you wondering what else is still hiding beneath the sea. Back in 2001, sonar scans near Cuba's Guanacahabibes Peninsula revealed geometric patterns almost 700 meters deep. Headlines instantly screamed, "Atlantis discovered." But here's the truth. No diver has ever confirmed structures down there. No peer-reviewed studies prove it's man-made, and most geologists think the shapes are unusual but natural. Still, the mystery remains. Why do they look so organized? Maybe it's nature playing tricks on us. Or maybe, just maybe, there's more to the story. For years, people online claimed there was a Stonehenge beneath Lake Michigan, complete with carvings of mammoths. Sounds epic, right? But no credible evidence supports that story. It's an internet myth. What is real are dozens of pockmarks and craters discovered on the lake floor in recent surveys. Some stretch hundreds of meters across. Scientists are still puzzled. Could they be from ancient glaciers, collapsing bedrock, or gas seeping out of the sediments? No final answer yet. So, no mammoth carvings, but yes, giant underwater potholes that make geologists scratch their heads. This one is solid science. Beneath Lake Huron lies the Alpena Amberley Ridge, once dry land after the Ice Age. Here, archaeologists discovered stone walls and drive lanes built around 9,000 years ago to herd migrating caribou. Think about it. Ancient hunters once walked those very corridors, guiding animals into traps. Today, all of it is preserved under the lake, like a perfectly sealed time capsule from the dawn of North American history. In the same lake, divers found sinkholes releasing salty, sulfur-rich water. Inside, strange microbial mats bloom in purple and white, bacteria that thrive without oxygen, feeding on chemicals instead of sunlight. It looks like neon paint spilled across the lake floor, but this is a real ecosystem unlike anything on land. NASA actually studies these microbes, because if life can survive in toxic, dark sinkholes here, maybe it can survive on icy moons like Europa. So yes, to search for aliens, you might only need a ticket to Michigan. Off the coast of Japan, another underwater riddle sparked debate: the Yonaguni formations. Massive terraces and right-angled steps seem to form walls, platforms, even what looks like a staircase. Some claim they're the remains of an ancient city, but most geologists point to natural processes, fractured sandstone and currents carving sharp lines over time. The consensus: highly unusual, probably natural. Still, when you see those clean edges fading into the blue, your brain can't help but connect them into architecture. It's a reminder that the ocean sculpts shapes so precise they can trick us into seeing civilizations where there are only rocks, or perhaps rocks that carry the whispers of people we've yet to find. August 2023, off Alaska's coast, 3,300 meters down, a NOAA robot suddenly spots a smooth golden dome on the seabed. Was it an egg? A sponge? An alien artifact? Nobody knows yet. Scientists collected it, and so far they only confirm one thing: it's biological in origin. The rest remains a mystery. For once, even science admitted, we honestly don't know what this is, but it looks really cool. Picture drilling through half a kilometer of Antarctic ice and finding flowing rivers and vast caverns beneath. In recent years, researchers documented subglacial lakes like Lake Williams, teeming with microbes that survive without sunlight. And in 2022, a hidden chamber beneath the Ross Ice Shelf revealed swarms of tiny amphipods dancing in the camera lights, a thriving pocket of life sealed from the surface for ages. If life can survive here in freezing darkness, maybe the icy oceans of Europa or Enceladus aren't so far-fetched after all. Now to the Black Sea, where the depths are largely anoxic, preserving wood and rope that would rot elsewhere. In 2015 to 2018, surveys mapped dozens of ancient wrecks, including a remarkably intact Greek trading ship from roughly 2,400 years ago. Mast, rudder, even the rowing benches survived in place. It's like time pressed pause, a full vessel resting in the dark, offering a rare, undisturbed look at how ancient mariners actually sailed. Speaking of life in the dark, in 1977, scientists exploring the Galápagos Rift stumbled onto hydrothermal vents, the so-called black smokers. Superheated, mineral-rich water billows from the seafloor, and around them, alien-looking communities, giant tube worms, clams, and bacteria that live on chemistry instead of sunlight. Its discovery rewrote biology's rules, showing that life can thrive on energy from the Earth's interior. It also opened a door. If life can thrive on vents here, similar chemistry could power life on other worlds. Then there are the brine pools, dense underwater lakes of super salty water in places like the Gulf of Mexico. Their surfaces ripple like mercury, and they form sharp boundaries that many fish can't cross. Some scientists call them pools of death because their chemistry can be lethal, yet specialized microbes and invertebrates make a living right at the edges. It's a reminder that the ocean doesn't have just one kind of habitat. It's a patchwork of extreme worlds stitched together in the dark. And in the Bahamas, the blue holes drop like portals, vertical caves that hold perfectly layered histories. In places like Sawmill Sink, researchers have recovered exquisitely preserved fossils, ancient birds, reptiles, even clues to past climates protected by still, oxygen-poor water. These shafts are natural vaults, storing chapters of Earth's story that would have vanished in the open sea. Of course, not every discovery is so ancient. Some treasures are famously modern, like the Spanish galleon lost in 1708 off Colombia, rediscovered in 2015 at nearly 600 meters. Reports call it one of the most valuable wrecks ever found. But despite headlines, it's not a smash-and-grab prize. It's protected cultural heritage, with ongoing legal questions about who could even claim it. For now, the riches remain sealed by silt and time, a fortune we can see but not touch.
From puzzling rock formations and glowing microbes, to golden orbs, ancient ships, volcanic vents, and brine lakes, the ocean keeps reminding us how little we actually know. Every sonar scan, every dive, every chance discovery can rewrite what we thought we understood about history, about Earth, maybe even about life itself. And the question that lingers is simple. If we've already uncovered this much, what else is still waiting in the darkness below? So if you enjoyed this dive into the unknown, make sure to subscribe, share this video, and leave a comment. Which of these mysteries blew your mind the most? Because trust me, the ocean still has secrets we haven't even begun to imagine.